Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 little mini candy box junk journals. If you have been subscribed to my channel at least for a year, you'll know that a year ago I started making these little candy box journals using the Halloween candy boxes that you can find like at most grocery stores or the Dollar Tree. And then I made a series of Christmas ones, and I've done Valentine's ones as well. But this year I went and visited my friend Michelle, and she bought these candy boxes, and we made candy box journals, and then we also made some Halloween journals with the little golden books. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. It was 2 Nightmare Before Christmas books and Haunted Mansion book. All of those have sold already, but you can go get some inspiration from that video. Anyway, I'm going to do a flip through of one of these and then the single Sour Patch Kids journal. And then these will be listed in my Etsy shop, so they'll be available if you want to check that out. So let's just go ahead. As I said, there's three of these, the Mike and Ike's Sour Spooky Treats, and then the Sour Patch ones. So these just have one signature. They each have a little charm dangle. Each of the charm dangles is slightly different. This one looks like this with a jack-o'-lantern bead. Wow. And some colored beads there. The back looks like this with the candy corn fabric. They all have that. And then I did some stitching on the cover, front and back. And then this has a little felt bat on the front. It has an attached ribbon. It is the spider web ribbon that I've used on several of my journals. And then these have some really cute scrapbook papers by Echo Park. Some different ones throughout here. They each have a little altered coin wrapper. So this one has this with the zombie. And then this is a little ghost cupcake pick that's in there. Over here, little bat playing card. And then I did some stitching. Everything is sewn throughout on the pages. This is a little tuck spot in a vintage ticket digital printout. And then it has various Halloween book pages from different books. This was a little envelope alteration that I did, and a vintage Monopoly card in there. On the back is another pocket and some purple tickets. This is a really cute napkin I made, just a little flip out. A little jack-o'-lantern zombie. Or, not zombie, but yeah, zombie. Or, I don't know. I don't know my Halloween characters. Frankenstein, that's what I'm trying to think of. Okay, I used the Sour Patch Kids box side for a belly band, and then I put in this printed bingo card. Here is a little coloring book page, another cute little book page, the jack-o'-lantern. This is a vintage Halloween treat bag, and then I just stuck another cute little Frankenstein card there. And then this is a little card from a coloring book page. It's like a memory game. There are 2 altered paper clips in each of the books. This is a little die cut. I had my stash of a black cat. Another napkin, really fun ghost napkin. And And another napkin. This one I made into a little tuck there. So these are super cute little mini journals. If you have a few pictures from Halloween that you want to add in to make this a little scrapbook, you can. Or do a little bit of journaling if you journal for Halloween. I love all these little stickers that the page kits came with. This is a little envelope that you can stick goodies in. There's just a little card in there right now. And this bat is from a napkin. Vintage Monopoly money. Love a lot of these little Halloween books. I did this fun little swirly stitch on the graph paper. Here's the other side of the envelope. Then there's like little tickets in there. Oh, sorry if I keep moving out of the screen here. This is a digital vintage image on a card there. And another little pocket, and then this is the back of the cover inside page. There's a Monopoly piece there, our community chest card. And that is that one, really cute. Okay, I'm just going to show you just one of these since there's three. They're all pretty similar. This one has this little jack-o'-lantern bead and a candy corn. The rest of them all have candy corns. I just had 3 of the little candy corn charms. And then they each have a felt jack-o'-lantern on the front. One signature again, and then the candy corn fabric on the back. Then the ribbon is a candy corn ribbon that's sewn into the book. These all have the jack-o'-lantern cupcake picks. So that's what's in there. And then they all have one of the altered coin wrappers. I love this little image of from the Halloween book. There's another one of these envelopes that I added pockets to. This is a fun napkin. And then here is a little Boo die cut. That was from my scrapbooking stash. And then another one of those little memory card game coloring book pages. This one has the witch vintage like little treat bag in it with a memory card. I added some, this is a sticker border that was in the kit, so I added that. That cute little Frankenstein girl. I don't know what her name is. These are such a fun little project if you haven't ever tried them. I don't remember if I've done a tutorial on these yet. I can't remember. If I haven't, I'll look. I think I have, but if I haven't, I will do a tutorial for Christmas. Once the Christmas boxes start coming out, and I haven't done a tutorial on them, I will definitely do that. But look down below in the description, because if I remember, I'll put the link if I do have it anyway. All right, there's that one. I think I have time I can do the rest of them. These don't take very long to flip through. So this one will be Candy Box Mike and Ike number 1, and then I'll do 2 and 3. I'll try and list them that way in Etsy so you know. So this one is similar. It has a wood jack-o'-lantern bead as opposed to well, this is wood, but this one isn't round like the other one. This one's super cute again. All the same kind of little features. This one has a different coin wrapper. There's that bingo card. That's I love that. She looks so sad, that little black cat. This adorable. I'll try and link to the Echo Park paper kits that we used. One of them was called I Love Halloween, and I don't remember. I'll have them linked down below. They all kind of coordinate together. Here's a little die cut for my scrapbooking stash. Let me know down in the comments if you have made any of these candy box journals. They're such a fun little, like, they don't take a whole lot of time as compared to bigger journals. And it's just fun to gather all your little scraps and things to put them together because they are small and little. They don't take up a lot of paper and stuff, so... I apologize. I have morning voice because it's Saturday morning and my voice hasn't woken up. And that's it on that one. Really cute. And number 3, this one has the round bead. And then this one has this cute little altered coin wrapper with the little pumpkin guy. It has Dracula card. And then this bingo card. Oh, then the one of the other kits is called I Love Halloween. This was a really cute book. Makes great little pages. Another little die cut from my scrapbooking stash. A really cute pumpkin. Another little pocket and a little ticket there. And last 2 pages. This one has Monopoly card and a bat flashcard. And that is that one. Alright guys, there they all are. Let me know which one is your favorite, and go ahead and check them out in my Etsy shop if they're not available. I just hope that this gives you inspiration for those that are looking later after they've been sold, hopefully. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.